Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo, Japanese everyday food. Today I want to share with you Hiyashi Chuka, cold summer noodles. Hiyashi means cold, Chuka means Chinese, so it literally means cold Chinese noodles. But obviously, Japanese people invented the noodles taste Chinesy, just like ramen noodles. We have so many varieties of this kind of dish, not only for Chinese, but others. I'll show you some others in the future. Let's get started. First things first, soak dried shiitake mushroom in water for at least 2 hours or until fully rehydrated. Dried shiitake mushroom has a strong umami that we even use for dashi. If you can't find it, just use fresh one and cook as follows. Put rehydrated shiitake mushroom into a small pot and pour half a cup of the water. Add a half a tablespoon of sugar and soy sauce. Cook on low heat until almost all of the liquid is gone. Next, chicken tenderloin. Put it in a pot and sprinkle a pinch of salt and 1 tablespoon of sake. Put the lid on and cook on medium-low for 6 to 7 minutes. Set aside until used. When it comes to a room temperature, shred it into thin pieces. This is a time-consuming job, and you will get more of the amount we need here, so you can use it for the chicken salad for the next lunch. Now let's make thin omelet. Beat your egg and add in a pinch of salt. Heat your pan on medium-low and grease generously. Pour in the egg mixture and run the mixture all over the surface. Cook until the surface seems dry and the edges start to peel off from the pan. Peel off carefully. Take out onto a mesh tray and let it cool to room temperature. Cut into 4 and put it on top of each other. Then roll it up and shred it into thin strips. Slice cucumber diagonally, then shred into the strips just like as egg. Shred ham as well. The idea behind this is cut the ingredients into the same size as the noodles. We mix all the ingredients afterwards so it's easy to eat. Shred crab sticks into the same size as other ingredients. Slice simmered dried shiitake mushroom when it cool to touch. The ingredients are all set. Now let's make sauce. Put 4 tablespoons of sugar and sake into a pot. I know it seems a lot of sugar, but trust me, this sauce is just like the taste we eat at a restaurant. Bring it to a boil and evaporate the alcohol of sake and get only umami from it. Add in slice of ginger and green part of long green onion if you have one. Smash the long green onion to take out the aroma. Add in half a cup of soy sauce and 6 tablespoons of rice vinegar. I choose rice vinegar here. Choose whatever vinegar that has no distinct flavor to it, and let it cool to room temperature. Add in liquid from the chicken. Pass through a sieve and remove the aromatics. And lastly, add in 4 tablespoons of sesame oil and 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame seed. You can keep it in the fridge for 3 weeks. You can make stir fry or dressings from the leftovers. Now let's boil the noodles. Boil the noodles according to the package instructions, but a little bit longer. Because we rinse under the cold running water, it's going to shrink a bit, so we have to boil a bit more than we eat hot. Drain and rinse until the starchiness goes away. Drain and press down gently to remove excess moisture. Transfer to a shallow dish and assemble the ingredients. It looks so nice. The ingredients are almost same as the somen noodles, but the taste is so different. Pour over 2 to 3 tablespoons of sauce and toss everything well and slurp. Please don't say that there is no meaning to assemble the ingredients nicely. It's about our sense of presentation. It tastes so good and it feels so summer. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And go to my website for the printable recipe and more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!